Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by grabbing the raw email now. Open the message and choose the option that shows full headers or original source. Do not open attachments. Once done, select and copy the entire header block, every received line, the message ID, and any X headers, and paste it into a text file for safekeeping. Make sure to note the email client and timestamp too. This preserves evidence and prevents accidental edits while you trace the mail's path step by step. Now parse the received headers to find the origin IP. Read received lines from top to bottom, then reverse that order to find the earliest hop from the sender's side. Typically, the bottommost external received contains the origin IP. Skip private or local addresses like 10, 172, 16, and 192, 168, and focus on the first public IP4 or IP6 you encounter. Once identified, copy that IP. Finish by confirming the country with whois and geo IP lookups for the origin IP, and note the ISB or registrant country as the likely source. Once done, correlate results with SBF, DKIM, and DMARC alignment to ensure the header wasn't forged. If the IP resolves to a cloud provider, VPN, or shows as private/obscured, that complicates attribution. In that case, request logs from the sending provider or ask the sender to confirm. Troubleshooting tip: if multiple candidate IPs appear, prioritize the earliest public hop and document each discrepancy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.